Welcome, I will talk about scatter diagram. Scatter diagram.
Scatter diagram is a graphical representation of a set of data in which the values of pairs of variables are plotted on a coordinate system. The tool is widely used in statistics and other fields of science and engineering to represent data relationships. The scatter diagram is also called a scatter plot chart, XY chart, and correlation chart. The scatter diagram graphs pairs numerical data with one variable on each axis to look for a relationship between them. If the variables are correlated, the points will fall along the line or curve. The better the correlation, the tighter the points will hug the line. The scatter diagram is one of the 7 basic quality tools used in root cause analysis. Scatter diagrams are used and applied in several ways, where the most important benefit is showing the correlation between two variables. The scatter diagram will visualize in an easy-to-observe way if the data points are positively correlated, negatively correlated, or there is no correlation between the two variables. Scatter plots are divided into the following 3 categories: 1 positive correlation, 2 negative correlation, 3 no correlation. Positive correlation. The scatter plot with positive correlation is also known as a scatter diagram with positive slant. In this case, as the value of x increases, the value of y will increase too, which means that the correlation between the two variables is positive. If you draw a straight line along the data points, the slope of the line will go up. For example, if the weather gets colder, hot drink sales will go up. 2. Negative correlation. The scatter plot with negative correlation is also known as a scatter diagram with a negative slant. In this case, as the value of x increases, the value of y will decrease. If you draw a straight line along the data points, the slope of the line will go down. For example, if the cycle time of a workflow goes up, the number of tasks completed will go down. 3. No correlation. The scatter plot with no correlation is also known as scatter diagram with 0 degree of correlation. In this case, the data point spreads so randomly that you can't draw a line through the data points. You can conclude that these two variables have no correlation or 0 degrees of correlation. For example, if the weather gets hotter, we can't conclude that the sales of wooden chairs will go up or down, because there is no correlation between the two variables.